Sending bulk emails is made effortless with Salesmate, enabling you to efficiently reach out to large audiences in just a few simple steps. To begin, navigate to the Contact module, accessing the listing screen. From here, select the desired view, and conveniently bulk select the contacts you wish to email. You also have the option to select all contacts within that view. Next, click on the email option to initiate the process. This action opens a pop-up window where you can compose a custom email or select from existing templates. Additionally, you can insert meeting links if needed. After crafting your message, choose to send the email immediately or schedule it for later delivery at a specified time. You also have the option to set reminder tasks based on your prospect's email behavior, allowing for proactive follow-up and enhanced engagement. Enable email tracking to monitor the performance of your emails effectively. We highly recommend verifying your email domain in Salesmate to ensure trusted domain name tracking links, thereby enhancing the safety and reliability of your outreach efforts. Sending bulk emails is equally straightforward for opportunities from the deal list view. For enhanced email deliverability and maintaining domain reputation, Salesmate recommends utilizing features such as email campaigns, sequences, or automation journeys. Thank you for choosing Salesmate for your email communication needs.